going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. So let's jump into this today with number one on my list. How about a 1999 Ford F450 Super Duty with the Power Stroke V8? What's that saying? I'd rather be coming than stroking. You got my Cummins over there, and you got the stroker over here. I don't know. This is another nice little truck, man. Single cab, but you got the nice bed with all the little tool, places on the back. What is this? Oh, nice. Spring-loaded door. This is a tough bed right here, guys. Wow, yeah. This is no joke. You got tow hooks on the back. This sucker right here will hurt you. That's what it'll do. This sucker will hurt you. You got your gooseneck down there. What is this? Is this an aftermarket oil cooler? Could be an oil cooler, could be a trans cooler. Okay. Oh, this is a stick shift. This is going to be a 7.3, and it's a stick too. I didn't even realize that. Oh yeah, she's dirty. We can get that to stay up, maybe. Maybe. Stay. Well, I don't know if my booster pack has it in it to jumpstart this bad boy. Good Lord. All right, let's take a look at the interior. I like this. I do. I like this truck. You got that old work interior. Just all vinyl, man. All vinyl. Vinyl floor. You got a pyrometer, EGT temperature, and of course boost temperature. 174,000 miles. Not bad. You've got your... Ooh, this got granny gear. You got a 5-speed transmission, but it's got a granny gear in it too. So if you wanted to pull down a house, you absolutely could. Clutch feels good. Is this supposed to be a runner? It doesn't say. It doesn't say. It's just got a check mark on it, so I have no idea. Let's throw a jump on this one real quick, guys, and let's see if she'll run. All right, booster pack is installed. It's showing 12.6 volts, which is more than the booster pack has in it. So chances are these batteries were already charged up, man. She's probably already ready to go. But it doesn't hurt to throw a little jump on it anyway. All right, let's put the key in it, turn it on. What does this do? It turns on that fan back there. Turns on the fan. All right, she's full of diesel too. She's running. It's a little cold out, so she may need a minute to warm up, guys. That's an interesting cluster of gauges there. That's all I can say. She's not running right. Does she have gears? Yeah, she does. She's got gears. Brakes feel good. Steering feels all right. The engine actually doesn't sound too bad, guys. Boy, she's loud. I'm used to my Cummins. I forgot how loud these things were. My goodness, listen to her. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this one. The fact is it runs. It's a very basic truck, but it doesn't have a lot of miles on it. Tires look to be in pretty good shape all the way around. Seriously, it's not a bad truck. It's not going to win any beauty pageants or anything, but she's a big truck, very capable. I like this one, so I'm going to keep it on my list. We got to throw just a little bit of Carnage in there, guys. There's a Ram Charger. This is only going to take a second because there ain't really much to show on this one. She's gnarly, man. It looks like before the accident, though, this thing was pristine. This thing was an absolutely beautiful Ram Charger before she got taken out, man. I mean, the whole axle's gone, guys. The interior looks like it was in really, really good condition too. Look at that. Dashboard was clean. Still got the powertrain. Austin. Where's Austin Carr at, man? As soon as I see this, I'm thinking about him. He's got him another parts car here if you want it, guy. All right, moving on. How about a 2011 Ford Econoline? I know you guys are probably tired of these big vehicles, right? But there's a purpose for these, man. People can still use these. I guarantee you some of you out there watching are looking at this going, man, I could use that. This is a CNG vehicle. It's an E250 Super Duty Advanced Track RSC. So, obviously, it's an old AT&T van. It's still got all the, whatever all that stuff is on the roof, man. The things come fully loaded. They're pretty well taken care of. They usually have good tires. This one is no exception, even though one of the tires is flat. Yeah, look at the tread on these things, man. And they usually don't have, uh-oh, is it locked? Look at all the stuff in there, man. This thing has got to be worth a fortune to somebody. It's a pure sale, too. I'll bet this thing doesn't have more than 120, 130,000 miles on it. I'd put money on it. Look at all these racks, all of this shelving in the back, and tell me this stuff is not worth money. I mean, seriously, this thing is already set up to work. What do you got, a plumbing business, electronic business, hell, a mobile furniture repair, but whatever, appliance business? I'm not sponsored, and I'm not here to sell you these things. Like, makes no difference to me. I'm simply saying that tire's dry rotted. That one's pretty rough. But CNG also? Come on, man. Bet she's dead as a doornail, though. You never know. All I'm saying is this thing's got to be worth something to somebody. And pure sale, they don't even care. Like, AT&T doesn't even care. They're just like, get rid of it. Just get rid of it. Yeah, she's dead as a doornail. There's usually inverters hiding in these too. If I can get back here. Oh, mice have been up in here. Yeah. Had some rodents in here. Anyway. Yep, there's your inverter right there. It's not a very big one, but I mean, it's an inverter nonetheless. All right. Well, let's throw where's the, there it is. Let's throw a jump on the bad boy real quick. I'm sure it's got a 5.3 under the hood. They almost always do. Let's see what it says. It is a blah, 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 2011. 5.4, I mean. Did I say 5.3? I'm thinking GM. Sorry, guys. Boy, I'm off. I'm still recouping. I'm still recovering. Let's throw a jump on her and see what she wants to do. All right. I got a feel this is going to be a short video, guys. And that sucks. I really had plans to show you some other cars. But unfortunately, it's, what time? I can't even see that. 4:20. They're going to throw me out in 10 minutes. Ooh. All right. That ain't running good at all. Not at all. Yeah, check engine light is flashing. So the miles, I wasn't far off. 136,687. I've experienced this before, guys, where these things will run kind of rough when you first start them. You gotta let them warm up a little bit. Goes right into gear too. Right into gear. I got the strobe light on. Let's see if it works. Everybody needs a strobe light, right? That's a big deal for me. I need the strobe light to work. Where is the strobe light? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it works. Look at that. All right. Yeah, she ain't running the best, guys. She's definitely not running the best. Is it charging? Hopefully. 14.15 volts. There we go. Take this off. She'll run on her own now. Yeah, it's definitely misfiring though. I was hoping I was going to clear up. Be honest with you, I don't think she's going to, guys. It's all right though. What's it need? A tune-up? I don't know. Let's give her a little rev. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it's not gonna clear up on its own after all. Let's put her back in gear. Good oil pressure, good battery voltage. Uh-oh. What? What happened? It won't, oh, there we go. Brakes are good, guys. And she goes right into gear. Steering feels good. Got the old school crank windows going on here. I don't care, I drive it home. I would. In fact, I might go ahead and bid on this, guys, because nobody bids on these things. Generally speaking, nobody wants these, and I don't understand it. I know that I'm not going to make a ton of money selling it, but I have trouble seeing something like this that is a pure sale going for like $400. Yeah, dead. She's going to need a battery, I imagine. And nobody wants it. I have no use for it. I know. There's like, what am I going to do with the damn thing? I have absolutely nothing that I could do with this. I hate seeing things like this going for so daggum cheap. This is nice. This is nice. Maybe a little tune-up or something. And, well, hell, she may need a tire or two. But anyway, there it is. There it was. We're going to have to call this a wrap. Man, I hate cutting the video short. I really do. But it's better than nothing, right? It's better than not having a video at all, in my opinion. I'm glad that I got to come out here. I just got out here a little late today, guys. And unfortunately, I'm out of time because in 5 minutes, they're going to lock the gates, whether I'm out of here or not. And trust me, you don't want to get locked in here because then you got to call somebody and then they come out and they yell at you. Not that I know. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, don't get locked into Copart if you can help it. Big shout out, thank you to Copart for letting us come out here and do this. Big shout out and thank you to all of you for watching today's video. Stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.